Inspiron 5510. Processor 11th generation Intel Core i5-11320H processor, 8 MB cache, up to 4.5 GHz. Storage 512 GB solid state drive. Memory 8 GB, 8GX1, DDR4, 2666 MHz. Graphics Intel IrisXe graphics. Ports: 2 USB 3.2 General 1 Type A ports. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 1 Type C with DisplayPort and power delivery, available on i3, i5 processors. Thunderbolt 4.0 with DisplayPort and power delivery, available on i7 processors. 1 headset jack. 1 HDMI 1.4 port. 1 power adapter port. Environmentally conscious recycled packaging. The packaging tray for all Inspiron laptops are made from 100% recycled paper, while other packaging components are comprised of up to 90% recycled materials. Display 15.6-inch FHD, 1920x1080, anti-glare LED backlight non-touch narrow-bordered WVA display. Keep your privacy. Our all-new mechanical camera shutter protects against anyone invading your privacy or accidental embarrassments on video calls, so you can read, watch, or chat all day with peace of mind. Keyboard Titan Grey English International backlit keyboard with numeric keypad. Just your type. 1.3mm key travel provides a satisfying typing experience while keeping your device slim and trim. Upgraded design view content in style. Your laptop's all-around narrow borders and compact size result in an expansive screen-to-body ratio and delightful viewing experience. Wireless Intel Wi-Fi 6 2x2, Gig+, and Bluetooth 5.2. Primary battery 4-cell, 54 watt-hours, integrated. Power 65 watt AC adapter. Audio and speakers stereo speakers, 2W x 2W equals 4W total. Strength meets style. Crafted with aluminum on the top cover and palm rest, your device feels luxurious without sacrificing durability. Storage: M.2 2230 solid-state drive. PCIe NVMe General 3x2 NVMe, up to 32 gigabits per second. Up to 1 terabyte. Memory: the following table lists the memory specifications of your Inspiron 5510. Memory slots: 2 SODIMM slots. Memory type DDR4. Memory speed 3200 MHz. Maximum memory configuration 32 GB. Minimum memory configuration 4 GB. Memory size per slot 4 GB, 8 GB, and 16 GB.